Stop scrolling because you can make this daisy hair tie in just 10 minutes. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make this cute little daisy hair tie in just 10 minutes. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make this by following this tutorial video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video you will be notified. If you are new, go and watch other tutorial videos on my YouTube channel. There are many tutorials available on my YouTube channel. If you want to learn anything else, you can comment below. I will share a tutorial video with you. So further delay, let's begin our video. It's so easy and beginner friendly. You can easily make this by following this tutorial video. So let's begin our video. As you can see, I already made it before one. Now let's make the another one. You can use it by pairing it in your hair. So let's begin with the magic ring. Make a magic ring and then make chain one, make a chain one and then 6 single crochet in the magic ring. Make 6 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. Now pull the loop of the magic ring tightly to close the hole and slip stitch at the first stitch of this row. This is row 1. Our row 1 is completed. Now for row 2, make chain 1 and we are going to make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Make 2 single crochet, then again make 2 single crochet together in the next stitch, 1 and then 2, then again make 2 single crochet together in the next stitch, 1 and 2. Now we are going to attach the hair tie part. For this, just follow what I'm doing. Just put it in the right direction and then after that make 2 single crochet in the next stitch together, 2 single crochet together in the next stitch, then again make 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet together, again make 2 single crochet together in the last stitch also. After that we are going to just put it just like that and then slip stitch in the first stitch, single crochet stitch of this row, row 2. Make a slip stitch by putting the hair tie in the right direction. Now let's begin row 3. For row 3, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then make 2 single crochet in the next stitch, then make 1 single crochet in the next stitch and then 2 single crochet single crochet together in the next stitch. We are going to repeat this pattern all the way around. Make 1 1 2 1 2 pattern. Make 1 single crochet first and then single crochet increase, then again 1 single crochet in the next stitch and then single crochet increase in the next stitch. Just repeat the pattern all the way around in this row, row 3, and I will show you what to do next. Just follow. 1 2, then again 1 single crochet in the next stitch, make 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then again single crochet together, 2 single crochet together in the next stitch, last stitch, Now slip stitch at the first stitch of this row and then chain 1. Now we are going to cut the yarn. Pull the yarn and then tighten it. Pull the yarn of the magic ring also and then cut it. So it's ready. Our base part is ready. You can use yellow color also, but I'm using green color for the lower part and using a yellow color for the upper part. For yellow part, make 6 single crochet in the magic ring, then single crochet increase all the way around in the row 2 and then So single crochet and then single crochet increase in the 3 rounds, just like we did before. Now we are going to make the petal part. For petal part, insert your hook from the both loop of the both sides, just like I did, and then take a white color yarn, and then we are going to pull the white color yarn by the help of hook from both sides. Just pull it, and then make chain 3, 1 2 3. Now we are going to make double crochet, cluster crochet in the next stitch. Make 1 double cluster crochet. For making double cluster crochet, we are going to yarn over, pull the yarn, and then yarn over, insert your hook in the first, and then 2 and then 2. See again, 1, pull the yarn from 1 loop and then 2 loop and then again 2 loop by yarn over again and again. Again make 1 more in this stitch, then make 3 chains, 1 2 and 3. Now slip stitch in the next stitch. We are going to slip stitch in the next stitch, slip stitch, again make 3 chains, 1 2 3, and then we are going to make 3 double cluster crochet in the next stitch, 3 double cluster crochet together. For that, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn, and then yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loop, and then yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, just like I did. Just follow the pattern what I am doing, and you will make this cute little daisy in just 10 minutes. Just follow the pattern what I am doing. Then again we are going to make chain 3, again slip stitch in the next stitch, again make 1 2 3 chains. That yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loop, again insert it. Just make 3 double cluster crochet together in 1 stitch, and then after that make 3 chains, and then 3 chains. After making 3 chains, slip stitch in the next chain, again 3 chains, and then make 3 double cluster crochet together, and then make 3 chains, and then slip stitch in the next stitch. We are going to repeat this pattern all the way around. It will give you the petal shape of the daisy. So just make it all the way around in this row, all the way around in the circle. Just repeat the pattern, just follow the steps what I'm doing right now, and you will make a cute little daisy hair tie. Make it all the way around, and I will show you what to do next. After making petals all the way around, we are going to chain one and then cut the yarn. Just cut it and pull the yarn and then tight it. Our daisy is ready. Now we are going to hide the yarn tails, extra yarn, by the help of yarn needles. Just insert your yarn in the yarn needles and hide it in your way. I'm hiding it inside this circle. So just follow this pattern, just see what I'm doing, and you will finish neat and clean daisy hair tie by following this tutorial video. Just follow this, what I'm doing, just follow the steps. As you can see everyone, our cute little daisy hair tie is ready. By following this tutorial video, you can easily make this. So thank you so much for watching this video everyone. If you are new, don't forget to watch another tutorial video on my YouTube channel. There are many tutorials available on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So if I posted a new video, you will be notified. And if you want another tutorial video about something, comment down below. Just let me know in the comments and I will try to show you the tutorial video, upload the new tutorial videos. So thank you so much for watching this video everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.